Welcome to another day of #fanficbookbinding. In this video, I will show you how to sew signatures together without a sewing frame. I'm working on a standard size book, which is letter or 8.5 by 11 folded in half. This book is about 600 pages, 13 signatures with 40 sheets in each signature. I will be using my favorite curved needle, some pre-waxed thread, pre-cut linen tapes, which are actually leftovers from my Q&A video the other day with the mini hardcovers. There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, and I've sped up some parts because I don't think you'd want to watch me sew for 30 minutes. After I'm done sewing, I'll be putting the text block in a book press so I can glue the spine and apply mull, so stay tuned for that. I'm using a measuring tape as a paperweight, but you can use whatever you like. Just make sure it's clean so it doesn't leave a mark on the pages. When you're tightening your stitch, pull parallel to the text block, not at an angle because you'll risk ripping the paper. So this is the moment where I realized I'd fucked up. I pulled a little too tight and too close to the paper, so it ripped the page. But don't worry, it's okay. We're going to apply glue on that part of the spine anyway, so it's not a big deal. It's totally fixable. But I'm not gonna lie, I panicked a little bit. I've already picked out the cover papers for the book, and it's this nice ocean beach view with rocks. I try to match the mood of the story with the covers. It's not all the time, but as often as I can. And I'm going with light blue cardstock for end papers. When you're buying glue, get acid-free PVA. Don't use just any old glue that you have at home, like Elmer's or glue sticks. And just search for bookbinding glue or PVA glue. I got mine from Amazon, and it's relatively affordable. This DIY book press cost me about $15, and that includes the 2 cutting boards from IKEA and the hardware from Home Depot. I'll leave a link down below to see Lemon's channel if you're interested in making one of your own DIY book press. I leave a few centimeters of the spine out so I don't accidentally glue the text block to the book press. As you can see, I'm applying glue with my fingers. I used to use a 1-inch sponge brush, and I even got one of those silicone glue brushes, but I find that nothing works as well as your own fingers. You can really push that glue into the little nooks between signatures. Next is to glue down a piece of mole. I usually cut about 7 inches by however thick your text block spine is, plus an inch or two more for overhang. While the glue is still tacky, just lay the mold down and apply some more glue on top. Finally, and I didn't forget this time, headbands. You can buy a variety of colors to match your covers and papers, and you can even make your own, but that's a lot more complicated and I haven't studied it that well, so I don't do it. But the one that I'm using today is blue and white, which goes with the light blue and papers that I chose. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you want to get alerts for when I post a new video. And leave a comment if you have any questions, suggestions for next video, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching.